Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which are some cupcakes. They are delicious, easy to make and super fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, in a bowl, let's add some flour. I'm using 200 grams. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder. Also, I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of baking soda. Let's mix it together. Now in another bowl, add 3 eggs and add a bit of salt. And let's mix it with a mixer. Meanwhile, let's add the 200 grams of sugar and continue mixing. Now add 200 milliliters of yogurt or milk. Now add 100 milliliters of oil and mix it again. Now let's combine the two mixtures and keep mixing. Then add 100 milliliters of boiling water and continue mixing. When it's all done, prepare the pan and use the cupcake paper trays. I'm using a measuring cup for better pouring. Now let's pour the batter into the forms. With this batter, I got 19 cupcakes. Let's send it into the oven in 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. When it's all done, let them sit. You can decorate them with some cream, chocolate, or sprinkles. Or eat them the way they are. They look amazing, they smell and taste great. And this is the recipe. Enjoy it and try it out yourself. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.